I'm about to show you how to claim Robux and Please Donate in mobile in 2026. Let's jump in. Now, I have my iPhone here and an Android. It works the exact same, or you can do this on a computer if you have one. Now, the first option that you have is to get into the Please Donate game. So let's just open up Please Donate. Let's just do this in the Android, and I'll show you this option and another option as well. Now on here, let's hit just don't allow. And the first thing that we're going to do is navigate to a stand. To be able to do this, you need to go to a stand. So browse around until you find a stand. Let's find one. There we go. Let's go to an empty stand and hit claim. After you've tapped on claim, you'll be able to see, let me exit this tutorial, a gift icon at the bottom left. Now you can only do this after you've claimed a stand, but you can see that gift icon. I can tap on it and now it says offline donations. This is where I can see all of the money that I've received or Robux by tapping on the little envelope icon. It will show all of the gifts on here and then you'll be able to claim all of those Robux that were given to you. However, keep in mind, it doesn't always show up in that place. There's a second place that I would recommend checking if it doesn't show up here. Now let's do that on the iPhone instead. So let's open up a web browser and we're going to go to roblox.com. Now the key is you don't want to open up the app. You need to stay in the web-based version if you're on a phone or a computer. Let's hit the continue in browser. After you've logged into your account, instead of going into Please Donate, you're going to tap on the Robux icon at the top right, and then go to My Transactions. Keep in mind, if you don't see it in the Please Donate game, it will be in the My Transactions instead. It takes basically 5 to 7 business days. So it takes a while for all of these to be processed. So you might see them in here. Just look in this summary, current purchases or purchases, and just go through this entire list to see if you've received Robux in here. Again, it takes up to 5 to 7 business days for those to hit your account as Robux. Then you can start using them.